Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Black color, violet color, orange color, light green color, pink color, purple color, sky blue color, red color, dark blue color, brown color, dark green color, yellow color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dust. E for eggplant. F for fish. G for glass. H for house. I for ice. J for jar. K for kite. L for lychee. M for moon. N for nest. O for olive. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rain. S for sun. T for tiger. U for university. V for vulture. W for watermelon. X for Xerox. Y for yum. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye-bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors name. Violet color, sky blue color, red color, dark blue color, dark green color, purple color, light green color, brown color, black color, orange color. Today we'll learn some alphabets and numbers. Let's try to learn with me. A for avocado. B for banana. C for candy. D for doll. E for eggplant. F for flowers. G for goat. H for horse. I for insect. J for jellyfish. K for kiwi. L for lollipop. M for moon. N for nuts. O for ox. P for pen. Q for question. R for rainbow. S for sky. T for toy. U for universe. V for vanilla. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zigzag. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.